Hey there! Today we are diving into some awesome hacks that will help you to learn English faster and more effectively. So let's get started. First up, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surround yourself with English by listening to English music, watching movies or TV shows with subtitles, or even you can change your phone's language setting to English. Next, make use of language learning apps. Hack number 3 is to practice speaking as much as possible. You can join language exchange groups, find a language partner, or even if you can talk to yourself in English. You would notice that we always talk to ourselves in our mind, so try to speak that in English. The key is to get comfortable with speaking the language, even if you make mistakes. Our fourth hack is to use flashcards for building your vocabulary. You can use apps or use physical flashcards that can help you to memorize new words and their meanings. Our fifth tip is to read and write in English regularly. You can read books, articles, journal in English, and you can start a journal or a blog where you write in English. This will help you to improve your reading comprehension and writing skills also. Next, watch educational videos and follow English learning channels. Finally, set realistic and achievable goals. Break down your learning into small and manageable goals. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it is, and stay motivated. And there you have it, 7 hacks to help you learn English faster and more effectively. Let us know in the comments below which hack you are gonna try first.